Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2015 Fiat 500. Now of course it is finished in mint green and you do get your halogen daytime running lights. You also get these painted alloy wheels, which of course are a 15-inch. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear, you've also got your 3 rear parking sensors. Into the tailgate, with this being a micro hatch, you do get limited space, which you can see just there, but the seats do a 50-50 split. Coming back out and around again, with this being a 3-door as well, just showing you the rear alloys. You will get a lever on the side of the seat just here, just to reveal the amount of space in the rear and the back. So you have got 2 seats in the back, 2 seats in the front. You do have the checkered pattern on the cloth. Coming into the front of the car, it is an automatic gearbox in the middle. Got your 2 window switches as well. Air conditioning just here, or your air conditioning there. City driving, fog lights, hazards. Then we also have your display in the middle just here. This comes with your FM. So you've got FM on there. On your media, you also have your various sources. So you've got USB, auxiliary and Bluetooth. You've then got your Bluetooth hands-free. And then of course you can go over to your apps just there. Then on the steering wheel, we've got your audio and voice assistant on the left. We've got your source on the right with your Bluetooth hands-free. As you can see, this Fiat 500 has done 15,463 miles. We're jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Fiat 500, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.